Well, this is what she looks like now. This is my, you've seen it in my other ads, you've seen what it looked like before. I put a headlight on it, upgraded the motor with a brand new Briggs & Strat 6.5 horse. Brand new, it's never even been started yet. I already punched out the governor. Have it hooked up just like that. This is my custom air filter. It's the original air filter off of the motor. I just cut it off right there, as you can see, and just slid it right on. Shorten my choke. So now it's right here. Right there. I still gotta poke a hole through there so I can put the OHV vacuum hose in there. Yeah, I still gotta get a pipe. I got gas on and off switch under the seat. I got a kill switch wired up front. It's also what's hooked up to my headlight. It's got a fog light off a motorcycle on there. Got a max torque clutch. That's brand new, it's never even been started. And I took it right apart, I punched out the governor. Haven't even started it yet. Just waiting for my sprocket to come in. Bought a bunch of chain. And then gotta get the seat done. It's kind of an eyesore. And then she'll be done. I have all the original stuff that's supposed to be on the motor. I just took it all off. I made custom brackets for my throttle. Wired my own kill switch to the motor right off this solenoid. If you have any questions or anything, let me know. Comments. Check out my other ads. Also some videos of when it's done and running.